Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm super excited. I have something really special. I was very fortunate to receive the new rebrand products from Makeup Geek, and it came in this adorable cute little package. It's been sitting on my desk. I've been really good and not opening it, so I wanted to open it with you guys here on camera. So it came with 3 of their classic pairs of lashes in Elegant, Fearless, and Graceful. It also came with their new 3D Faux Mink eyelashes in Ava, Isabella, and Nicole. And then the stars of the video, it came with 2 new palettes. This one, as you can tell, is more of like a neutrals palette. All the shades are matte, and then this is their more colorful palette, and it comes with all their new formula for their foiled eyeshadows. First, I want to talk about these full false eyelashes. Now, I love their eyelashes. They come on a black band. I love this style, Graceful. It's more of like a natural style. Fearless is gorgeous too. That would be beautiful on a colorful look. And then Elegant is so fun. It's like this really just spiky, kind of great for like a concert or a date night or a girls' night out. The packaging for the 3D Faux Mink lashes is so freaking cute. I love this like box that it comes in with the magnetic and the front. Ava, I have to say, is my favorite style. You guys know I love the demi, I love the wispy. It's just so freaking flirty and cute, and I love that on the back it actually gives you like a full how-to with pictures and everything on how to apply lashes. And then Nicole is more of like that fun, just like spiky and wispy lash. And then Isabella is definitely more of that like fuller style, but even though it's full, it still has that like wispy, fluttery effect. It's so romantic looking. I am actually super obsessed with this one too. So they're featuring 2 different eyeshadow formulas in these palettes. The first one is the signature eyeshadow formula, and those retail for $5.49 each. Those are going to be all of our matte shades. And then their foiled eyeshadow formula, and then those are going to be all of our shimmery shades, and those retail for $7.99 each. And the empty palettes themselves retail for $19.99. I actually will say I love the packaging. It's very similar to like a Z palette kind of, but like 1,000 times better quality. Alright guys, I gotta do my makeup soon because I look crazy. Okay, so it was super hard to pick, but I have a neutrals look coming for you guys soon, so I think I'm gonna go with a more colorful look. I'm gonna go ahead and do this kind of green column. So I'm gonna start with like this lighter green shade. It's called Olive You, and I'm gonna apply that using this Morphe M505 brush. It's just a fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna pick that up with the tip of the brush, and I'm just gonna work that all through my crease. Next, with my Morphe M433, I'm gonna pick up the next darkest shade, which is this one called Spilled Tea. And I'm using dabbing motions to really get this in there. And I'm gonna apply this on the outer corner and the inner corner. And I'm actually not getting like any fallout. And I usually don't care about fallout because I always do my eyes before my face makeup, so I just clean it if it's there. But frankly guys, I'm not seeing any. And this is green. Like, this would definitely stand out, and I'm not seeing any. I'm sure there's some there, but it must just be like so little that I'm not even seeing it. So again, it's not something that's super important to me, but if it's really important to you for a shadow to not have fallout, so far these are acing it. Next, I'm going to go in with this very small blending brush. This is the Morphe M506. This is actually one of my favorites. I have 2 of these. And with this brush is that I'm going to apply the darkest green shade, which is called Enchanted Forest. And I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to dab it into my inner corner and outer corner and just blend the edges. But I'll dab it first to apply the pigment, and then when there's not much left on the brush, then I will go ahead and blend. If I start blending with all the pigment that's on the brush, it's just going to make it messy and make it harder to blend later on. Then going in with that last brush, the Morphe M433, I'm gonna go ahead not adding anything to the brush, but just make sure that those colors are blended. And then now going in with a Q-tip and some makeup remover, I'm just gonna clean up that center portion of the eye so that way when we apply the shimmery shadow, it's nice and bright. Going in with more primer. Next, I'm gonna pick some more of that P. Louise base up with that original Delium Tools 936 brush, and I'm just gonna apply that to the center of the lid as a nice base for our next shadow. And then before that primer dries down, I'm just gonna get a clean shadow brush. It can be any of them, and I'm just gonna try to blend out those edges. Next, I'm gonna use that same brush that I used to blend out the edges just because I don't feel like dirtying another brush. This is the Morphe M224. It's a really good brush for applying shadow, but also for cutting the crease. And I'm going to use this to apply this foiled shadow right here called Illuminati. And if you think that I'm just saying Illuminati like funny, it's because it's spelled I-L-L-U-M-I and then naughty. See? Illuminati. Ah! All I did was dab it! Just the tiniest of dabs! Oh my god! Holy cannoli. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go back in with that very small blending brush, and I'm just gonna apply more of that Enchanted Forest on the inner and outer corners just to make sure that it stays nice and deep and that we still keep that contrast. Then I'm gonna go back with that shadow brush without adding any more and just blend those two together. And then for lashes, I'm going to use their 3D Faux Mink lashes in Isabella. Now this style is just very full, very fluffy, and that's exactly what I want for this look. Alright guys, lashes are on, so I'm going to go finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I will be giving you guys a close-up in just a minute, but first I just wanted to talk about what my final verdict is on this new launch. I have to say that from formula to packaging to the actual products themselves, it's a 10 out of 10. Everything you could just tell is so well made, such attention to detail. So I did also want to do some swatching for you guys. So I'm gonna start with the shades in this more colorful palette. So after swatching them, literally the only thing that I have to add is that, man, I love them even more than I thought I was going to. Alright guys, that is basically it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!